Our attachment workshop produces excavator attachments to the same quality standards as the host machine for matched performance. Specialized tooling guarantees precise processing of attachments, improving their fit and compatibility. Automated welding secures the structural strength of attachments, ensuring reliable operation. The component's durability is significantly enhanced by a multi-stage process. It goes through matrix strengthening heat treatment, surface cleaning shot blasting, and finishes with a protective powder coat, resulting in greatly improved wear resistance and service life. Each attachment is thoroughly inspected to ensure precise compatibility and a flawless integration with the host machine. A wide range of attachments, including buckets and rippers, is available to suit different job site requirements. Our interface system is tailor-made for Rippa machines, guaranteeing secure and dependable connections. Extensive field testing validates the performance of attachments in real-world conditions. Rippa offers integrated solutions for both host machines and attachments, delivering added value.